Vishtauroborg is a conceptual human-animal-machine hybrid which combines cow tongues with robotic devices, which are mounted on a performing dancer's chest and back. The compound word Vishtauroborg is formed from Vishnu, Minotaur, robot, organ, and cyborg. Vishtauroborg visually modifies the human figure god Vishnu, one of the supreme gods in Hinduism, and Minotaur, the cow-human hybrid character in Greek mythology. The suffix word, roborg, elaborates on the scientific trend, the fusion of a human and a robot as a cyborg. Vishtauroborg creates real-time interactions harmonized between the machine's mechanical motions, the human arm's choreographic gestures, and the robotic tongue's computational artificial speech and musical sounds. The motions of the dancer's arms generate the motions of the robotic arms. Meanwhile, the dancer's hand gestures lead the tongue's wiggling motions, which themselves create the artificial speech sounds and modify the dancer's voice sound and musical sounds. This sound and motion performance illustrates new technological features and new relationships between human and machine, natural and unnatural, motion and sound, choreographic gesture and mechanical movement, disembody and re-embody, which arouses questions about man's values of technological augmentations within the trend of extending the human form and the expansion of the human abilities in our scientific society. The different versions of Vishtauroborg so far have been tested and presented in 4 performances and 1 gallery exhibition since 2011. In version 1.0 and version 1.2, Vishtauroborg's choreography is based on gestures of animals, machines, and humanoid robots because these different characteristics were combined to create a hybrid. The choreography illustrates new characteristics of the conceptual artificial hybrid, human-animal-machine hybrid. Version 1.2's robotic motions were still not real-time interactive with the dancer's motions in the secondary performance. However, the pre-programmed motions were much more dynamic than the motions of version 1.0's inaugural performance. In version 1.2, the generated simple artificial verbal sounds and improvisations harmonized with 2 musicians, ambient musical accompaniments, and a visual performance bowing performance, which embodied shamanism and phallic worship. The performance explored the reinterpretation of advanced technology within a spiritual environment, such as the techno-totem in a shamanistic ceremony.
Is that creepy? Kinda. No, it's not bad. It just feels like you're touching animal hide. Yeah. It's not like... It's a lot scalier than... Oh yeah.